Okay, hey guys, welcome to video number 2, and you already know what time it is. Put your thinking hats on. We all know I should not sing, but it's fine. So I'm having fun with math. Okay, so we're still on page 87. I'm just doing a few more examples. These ones are a little more difficult and they require more steps, so I want you guys to stick with me here, okay? So we're taking 4 2/3 feet is equal to how many inches? Well, they're tricking us. We're going from feet to inches, which means we're going from larger to smaller units. So we should have, for every 1 foot, there are 12 inches. So we're just going to multiply by 12, okay? You should feel pretty comfortable with that. So the first thing we want to do is we want to split this number. We want to take the number and we want to take it away from its label, from its unit, so we can give it a new unit. So that's what they're doing when they're doing 4 2/3 times 1 foot is equal to 4 2/3. Okay, so now that we got rid of the foot, or the label of the feet, the unit, we're going to take 4 2/3 and we're going to multiply it by how many inches? 12 inches. Okay, so 12 inches, or 12 over 1, we can say. We can turn it into a fraction, but that really doesn't help us because we still need to change this fraction. Well, why do we need to change this fraction? Because it's a mixed number. So it's not a fraction, it's a mixed number. So we're going to move over here, and I'm going to change 4 2/3 into 14/3. Okay, and the way I did that was I did 4 times 3 is 12, and then I added the 2 at the top, okay? And that way then I can just multiply across, and I have to go over here because I don't know what 12, I mean, unless you're super smart, which I know you guys are, but 14 times 12, I'm going to bring down here. Ooh. Okay, 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 1 is 2. And then I'm going to add a 0 because I'm on to the next one. So 1 times 4 is 4. Ooh, you guys can't see that. Okay, let's restart that. 14 times 12. I did 2 times 4 is 8. And I did 2 times 1 is 2. And then I added a 0 before I moved on to 1 times 4. That's 4, and then 1 times 1, that's 1. So I'm going to add these together, and let's move on. So 8 plus 0 is going to be 8. 2 plus 4 is 6, and then I'm going to 0 plus 1 is 1. 168, and then 3 times 1 is 3. So I have 168 over 3, which means that I still have to simplify, okay? I really want you guys to get in the habit of simplifying, which means that we have to do some more work, okay? So if we multiplied, to simplify, we know we divide. So 168 divided by 3, that will take a really long time, but I know that I'm going to guess and check. So I know that, well, I'm looking at 3 and 168. Well, I know that 3 times 50, so 50 3 times is 150. Okay? And you can divide however you think, but I'm going to do it the way that we've been doing in class. We've been doing those guess and checks, remember? So 3 times 50 is 150. And so what am I missing? So I want to get from 168 to, or 150 to 168. That means that I'm still missing 18, okay? So, or I'm still missing 18 over here. So that means 3 times something I need to get to 18. Well, 3 times 6 is 18. So 168 divided by 3 is 56. So both of these numbers together. Okay? So then just 56 inches right here. And that is, I'm going pretty fast, but so I want to see you guys do that work. I don't want you to use calculators. I want you to work on your division and multiplication skills. I think that you guys should be okay with this. You guys have been really rocking the homework. And if you have any questions, please message me or Miss Paletti, okay? And you guys are doing really great. I'm proud of you.